Hey guys, let me show you how to make the best chili lime shrimp in the air fryer, and I promise you it will be the best chili lime shrimp that you ever have. Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to make the best chili lime shrimp salad in the air fryer. Once you get all the ingredients in a Ziploc bag, you want to go ahead and put it into the air fryer at 370 for 8 minutes. Next up, I'm going to be cutting up my purple onion, my cilantro. I'm cooking my cauliflower rice on the stove at the same time. And then I'm adding it to arugula. I'm going to put some lime on top of it while the shrimp is cooking and the cauliflower is cooking. Okay guys, the shrimp should be finished, and once it's finished, I'm going to be adding the cauliflower rice and the shrimp on top of my arugula, onions, and lime. And then add some cashew butter dressing to top it off. It is delicious.